Hi guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch, and I'm here at the ranch today. You can see it's a beautiful day here. It's getting on in the fall, and just a gorgeous day. And I wanted to show you something I did with my utility trailer. Great trailer, 6x10, the bed size, and just a great trailer. Automotive size tires, strong, and it's all galvanized iron, which I really like. Galvanized steel. I really like that. No paint, no rust. However, there was an issue with it. I like to carry everything I need for each of my trailers. A horse trailer, the travel trailer, this trailer. I like to have everything I need for each trailer with the trailer. The hitch size, height, particularly is different, and I need different size wrenches for the tire. Oh, hell, I need all that stuff. So I need a toolbox for each trailer. I tried to buy a toolbox to fit this trailer. I wanted it to be triangular, like this, going along the tongue, so that when I swing the truck sharply, it doesn't bang the side of the toolbox. And it has to be exactly the right height. This is only 11 inches to allow me to crank. Only 11 inches. I could not find one only 11 inches. So what the heck, I made one. And I thought you might get a kick out of this. It was quite simple. It's just a box. Has a back and a front, two sides, a top and the bottom. Just that easy. I made it out of 3/4 inch marine plywood. I wanted it to be strong. Then I painted it with weatherproof aluminum paint. Kind of neat, matches the trailer too. To seal it, as I was building the box, I sealed all of the edges together. The top was a little bit of an issue. What I did here is a piece of aluminum, you see here, aluminum angle iron, around the top like this. And I have a rubber seal on the inside, so when this drops down, it seals and rain can't get in. The top of this aluminum angle iron is sealed with caulking. I used a piano hinge, and on the piano hinge on the back there's rubber as well, two pieces of rubber. So when this closes, that jams, it's waterproof. Now it may not be 100% waterproof, but it's darn close. And in here I have everything I need. There's the hitch for this trailer. This goes into my pickup truck, and it's for this trailer only. All of my straps, bungee straps. I have a jack for this trailer. I have the proper wrench for taking the wheels off and putting on the spare. I have a tarp for covering it. Everything I need for the operation of this trailer is in this box. Just that simple. Then I put on these special snap brackets to keep it down, and because it's 2022 and the kind of the world we live in, I have a lock. There you go. I keep this in the pickup truck. So I thought you'd like to see that. It's the right shape, it's the right size. I can crank with it, it's waterproof, holds everything I need. So if you have a new trailer, no matter what kind of trailer it is, and you want to get a toolbox for it, don't discount making your own. To buy a good toolbox, if I could find the right size, would be $150 or $200, and probably not as good as this one. Anyway, thought you'd want to see that. If you have any more ideas or comments, let me know. Talk to you, Alec Peirce at the ranch.